L-bit System Spectro XR. The L-bit System Spectro XR is a cutting-edge, multispectral electro-optical (EO) system integrated seamlessly with the Hermes 900 unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV), delivering superior long-range intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance (ISTAR) capabilities. Designed for modern battlefield and homeland security needs, the Spectro XR combines multiple high-resolution sensors into a single lightweight payload, enabling simultaneous multispectral imaging across visible, infrared, and laser spectrums. This integration on the Hermes 900 enhances real-time situational awareness, providing unmatched image clarity and target detection at extended ranges. With features such as automatic target tracking, geolocation, and real-time data transmission, the system ensures mission success in complex environments. L-bit System Spectro XR sets a new standard in EOIR performance, reinforcing the Hermes 900's reputation as a versatile, high-endurance UAV platform for both defense and civilian applications worldwide. Hector Robotic Target System. The Hector Robotic Target System, showcased at Spookstock 2020, represented a leap forward in tactical training technology. Developed by MVP Robotics, Hector, humanoid engageable kinetic training robot, is a fully armored all-terrain system that emulates realistic human movement, capable of reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. Its modular humanoid top houses 4 precise shot sensor zones: head, core, pelvis, fringe, enabling highly accurate real-time 306° feedback via a mobile app. During Spookstock 2020, a premier Special Forces event, Hector demonstrated its strengths: dynamic movement across rugged terrain, split-second response to live fire hits, and rapid reset cycles, allowing sustained engagement scenarios. Operators could tailor kill thresholds, pause lengths, movement speed, and target behaviors, crafting mission-specific exercises to test decision-making under pressure. Jarmal Aracha Monte Laser Silah Tanatim film showcases a cutting-edge vehicle-mounted laser weapon system developed for modern defense scenarios. This promotional film highlights the system's advanced capabilities, including precision targeting, rapid threat neutralization, and silent energy-based engagement. Designed for integration with a variety of military platforms, the laser weapon offers a clean, low-cost alternative to traditional munitions by utilizing high-energy beams to disable drones, incoming projectiles, and other airborne threats. Its modular structure allows for flexible deployment, while its real-time tracking system ensures accuracy even in dynamic environments. The film emphasizes the system's tactical advantages: speed, precision, and reduced collateral damage, positioning it as a next-generation solution for battlefield and border defense. Through this powerful visual presentation, Jarmal demonstrates its technological leadership and commitment to innovative, future-ready security solutions. RF Hunter R. The RF Hunter R is a cutting-edge counter-drone solution designed to detect and locate armed FPV, first-person view, drone operators with high precision. Developed for military and security forces, the system specializes in real-time radio frequency (RF) geolocation, enabling operators to swiftly identify and neutralize threats at their source. By analyzing control signal emissions from FPV drones, the RF Hunter R pinpoints the location of hostile drone pilots, even when they operate from concealed or mobile positions. Its advanced spectrum analysis and directional antennas ensure accurate tracking across challenging environments, including urban and battlefield settings. Compact, portable, and easy to deploy, the RF Hunter R enhances situational awareness and force protection by targeting the true threat, the operator. As drone warfare evolves, this technology provides a crucial edge in electronic warfare and counter-UAS operations. RF Hunter R sets a new standard in drone defense, turning the hunter into the hunted with tactical precision. Mortar Weapons System. The 120mm mortar weapons system stands as a reliable and powerful asset in modern artillery, known for its versatility, firepower, and adaptability in all operational conditions. Designed for both mobile and static deployment, this system delivers rapid, high-angle indirect fire support with impressive accuracy and range. Its robust construction allows it to perform in extreme environments, whether in arid deserts, dense forests, or mountainous terrain, making it a dependable partner for infantry and mechanized units alike. With enhanced mobility features, digital fire control systems, and quick deployment capabilities, the 120mm mortar ensures superior responsiveness on the battlefield. It can be integrated into various platforms, including armored vehicles and towed configurations, expanding tactical flexibility. As a proven solution for both offensive and defensive operations, the 120mm mortar weapons Nevestis Thermal. The Nevestis Thermal Imaging Clip-on Sight is a high-performance electro-optical system designed to enhance precision targeting capabilities in both day and night operations. Engineered to seamlessly attach in front of standard optical scopes, it transforms conventional rifles into advanced thermal imaging platforms without the need for rezeroing. Utilizing state-of-the-art uncooled thermal sensor technology, the Nevestis provides clear, high-contrast imagery in total darkness, smoke, fog, and other obscurants, ensuring unmatched situational awareness and target acquisition. Its compact, rugged design is built for harsh battlefield conditions, offering shock resistance, water and dust protection, and extended operational life. With intuitive controls and quick mounting mechanisms, it supports rapid deployment for military, law enforcement, and special forces. The Nevestis represents a powerful force multiplier, allowing operators to engage threats with greater confidence and accuracy, regardless of environmental challenges. It's a mission-ready tool for modern tactical superiority. Nimmer Age-Ban LRSOV. The Nimmer Age-Ban LRSOV, long-range special operations vehicle, is a purpose-built 4x4 platform designed to meet the demanding needs of modern special operations forces. Engineered for extended range missions in hostile and remote environments, the Age-Ban LRSOV combines rugged off-road mobility with high payload capacity and advanced mission adaptability. It features an open architecture for rapid weapon and equipment integration, supporting a variety of armament configurations, including remote weapon stations and anti-tank systems. With seating for up to 4 fully equipped personnel, the vehicle ensures crew efficiency while maintaining a low visual and infrared signature. Its powerful drivetrain, long-range fuel capacity, and modular armor options make it ideal for reconnaissance, surveillance, and direct action missions. Built by Nimmer, a leading defense vehicle manufacturer, the Age-Ban LRSOV represents the cutting edge of tactical mobility, delivering reliability, versatility, and survivability for elite forces operating beyond the front line. Rheinmetall HX3. The Rheinmetall HX3 Common Tactical Truck represents the next generation of military logistics, driven by cutting-edge technology, modularity, and battlefield resilience. Designed to meet the evolving demands of modern armed forces, the HX3 integrates advanced driver assistance systems, semi-autonomous capabilities, and digital backbone architecture for seamless mission management. It offers superior off-road mobility, enhanced protection, and flexible payload configurations, making it suitable for a wide range of tactical roles, from troop transport to system carrier. With its open systems design, the HX3 can accommodate future upgrades in sensors, communications, and automation. Enhanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, reduce operator fatigue and improve survivability in complex environments. Whether in logistics support or frontline deployment, the HX3 delivers unmatched performance, durability, and adaptability. Rheinmetall's HX3 stands as a technologically advanced, mission-ready vehicle platform built for today's operations and tomorrow's challenges. Cube System Mine-Laying Module. The Cube System Mine-Laying Module is a state-of-the-art solution designed for rapid, precise, and scalable deployment of landmines in modern combat scenarios. Developed with modularity and mobility in mind, the system can be integrated onto a variety of platforms, including tactical vehicles, unmanned ground systems, or trailers, enabling flexible operation across diverse terrains. The cube system utilizes programmable mine canisters that allow for preset dispersion patterns, timing, and self-neutralization functions, ensuring both mission effectiveness and post-conflict safety. Its user-friendly digital interface supports quick mission planning and real-time control, enhancing responsiveness in dynamic battlefield environments. By automating the laying process, it reduces risk to personnel while increasing the speed and accuracy of mine deployment. Whether used for area denial, perimeter defense, or route blocking, the cube system represents a leap forward in mine warfare technology, offering modern armed forces a reliable, intelligent, and compliant solution for ground-based deterrence. Viper 300 attack. The Viper 300 attack is a high-performance loitering munition system engineered for precision strike missions against high-value targets. Compact, agile, and highly maneuverable, the Viper 300 delivers advanced lethality and real-time intelligence in a lightweight tactical package. Designed for rapid deployment by infantry or vehicle-mounted units, it features a powerful warhead, long loiter time, and secure communication link for operator-controlled engagement or autonomous target acquisition. The system's electro-optical/infrared EO/IR sensor suite ensures accurate identification and tracking in diverse combat environments, including urban, mountainous, and low-visibility conditions. With its low radar and acoustic signature, the Viper 300 excels in stealthy operations, making it ideal for asymmetric warfare and counterterrorism missions. Whether launched from land or mobile platforms, it gives modern forces a versatile edge in precision engagement, minimizing collateral damage while maximizing mission impact. The Viper 300 sets a new standard in responsive, tactical, air-delivered firepower. XM204 Vignette Soldier. The XM204 Vignette Soldier version 2023 represents the pinnacle of modern infantry support weapon systems, engineered to enhance soldier survivability and mission effectiveness. This lightweight, man-portable platform integrates a robust 40mm automatic grenade launcher with advanced recoil mitigation and smart targeting capabilities. Featuring a modular design, the XM204 adapts to diverse operational roles, ranging from assault support to perimeter defense, by allowing rapid conversion between tripod-mounted, vehicle-mounted, or shoulder-fired configurations. Equipped with augmented optics and an integrated ballistic computer, the weapon enables precise engagement of stationary and moving targets up to 1,600 meters. It supports programmable airburst and point detonation ammunition for optimal effect against entrenched adversaries or soft targets. The recoil dampening system and ergonomic grip significantly reduce shooter fatigue and improve follow-up shot accuracy even under sustained fire. Powered by a ruggedized digital interface, the XM204 harmonizes with battlefield networks, leveraging GPS, friend or foe identification, and real-time situational awareness feeds. This connectivity allows rapid adjustment of fire missions and precise coordination with infantry squads, drones, and command systems. Its durable construction, weather-sealed electronics, and ease of maintenance ensure reliability across austere environments and adverse conditions.